What's up, guys? Finally got the trailer back up and finished. I hope it's finished. Let's try. I'm gonna turn the light off and we will see if it will. I have my key right here. Oh my gosh, it's on. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Wow. Nice. Okay, that looks so good now. That looks so freaking good. Oh man. Look at that. That is so nice. Nice. Well, there you guys have it. I officially rewired the trailer lights. Look at that. That's so nice. Kim's gonna be happy. I could put the license plate light. It's so freaking dark down there. I guess it doesn't really matter. That's so nice. That's what you see looking behind me. That is so nice.
Well, the midnight headlight find you on a rainy night, steep grade up ahead, slow me down, making no time. But I gotta keep rolling. Those are windshield wipers slapping out a tempo, keeping perfect rhythm with the song on the radio. But I gotta keep rolling. Ooh, I'm driving my life away, looking for a better way.
What the hell?